So question number 2. The equation of a straight line is 2 times of x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Find its slope, inclination and intercept on the y-axis. So the given equation is 2 times of x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Take the 2 inside and multiply with x and y. It will become 2x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. We can write the equation in terms of y because we know the general form of the equation, which is y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so just rewrite this in the form of y. Divide both the side by 2. It will become y equal to 2x upon 2 plus 5 by 2. So this is going to be a straight line. So from this we can say y is equal to x plus 5 upon 2. The slope is nothing but m, which means the coefficient of x. Here, the coefficient of x is 1. So that is going to be your slope. M is equal to 1. And what is intercept? Intercept means it's c, the constant. So c is going to be 5 by 2. So far clear?
Yeah.
And they are also asking about the inclination. And for the inclination, you have to take tan theta. Just equate your slope to tan theta. Okay. The value of the slope is 1. So substitute 1 equal to tan theta. For finding the inclination, just apply tan inverse both the side. So it will be tan inverse of 1. So when you will get 1 in the tan table, when tan is 45 degrees, isn't it? So tan 45 degree is 1. So the inclination is 45 degree. Can you follow?
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 3. Find the equation of a line whose inclination is 30 degree and making an intercept negative 3 on y-axis. They're asking about the equation of a line. So you have to write its general form first. So y is equal to mx plus c, which means you need to find the value of slope as well as intercept. So how will you find the slope? There is a clue. They said line whose inclination is 30 degree. So you can say m is equal to tan theta. So just substitute theta as 30 degree here. And what is tan 30 degree? It's 1 upon root 3. Yeah. So m is 1 upon root 3. So from that you can find the value of slope, which is 1 upon root 3. So you can write your equation as y is equal to 1 upon root 3 into x plus c. And they said intercept negative 3 on the y-axis. So intercept negative 3 on the y-axis means at x-axis the coordinate is 0. Okay, so that is how you have to substitute. So you have to assume y is negative 3 and x is 0. So y is equal to 1 upon root 3 into x plus c. Just substitute y as negative 3 and x as 0 in this. So it's minus 3 equal to 1 upon root 3 into 0 plus c. It's minus 3 is equal to c. So from this we found the value of the intercept. Okay. So now you can substitute the value of intercept in this equation. So y is equal to 1 upon root 3 times x plus the intercept is minus 3. You can write this as 1 upon root 3 into x minus 3. Can you follow? We'll move to the next question. It's question number 4. Find the slope on y-intercept of root 3x plus 1 minus root 3y equal to 3. So again, they're asking about the slope on y-intercept only. So just try to rewrite your equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. Can you try to rewrite this in the form of y is equal to mx plus c? Can you try? Have you got the equation?
I got root 3 by root 3 minus 1 into x plus 3 by 1 minus root 3.
Okay, you're not getting this?
Yeah, I kind of got the same thing, just that x was like to the right hand side of that bracket.
No problem. No problem. Okay. So after getting this equation, you just have to assume the coefficient of x is m. So that's going to be your slope. So slope is equal to root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay. And your intercept is going to be this 3 upon 1 minus root 3. Before writing the answer, they just rationalized it because it is root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. For rationalizing, you just have to change the sign of the denominator and you have to multiply and divide it by the same, isn't it? So you will multiply and divide it by root 3 plus 1. After doing that, it will become root 3 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 can be written in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, so a square is going to be root 3 the whole square and b square is going to be 1 square. So root 3 the whole square is nothing but it's 3 and 1 square is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So that will be your denominator. And in the numerator, you do have root 3 times root 3 plus 1. Just take the root 3 and multiply inside. Root 3 times root 3 will give you 3. Root 3 into 1 will be root 3. So in the numerator, you will have 3 plus root 3. In the denominator, you will have 2. So that's for slope. You have to do the same rationalization process for the, procedure for the y-intercept also. So you'll be getting this answer. Just try the rationalization part alone. Just check whether you are getting the same answer or not.
I got the y-intercept as 3 plus 3 root 3 by 2. Oh, sorry, minus 2.
You're getting the same answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Find the value of A if the line through negative 2 comma 3 and 8 comma 5 is perpendicular to y is equal to ax equal to plus 2. I mean, it's ax plus 2 actually, not ax equal to plus 2. The question is wrong. The line through negative 2 comma 3 and 8 comma 5 is perpendicular to y is equal to ax plus 2. We already learned this. When the lines are perpendicular to each other, their product of the slopes will be equal to negative 1. Yes, we have learned this already. So for finding the value of m1 and m2, you can use y is equal to mx plus c equation. So y is equal to mx plus c. M is a, isn't it? So you can say the value of m2 is a. And what is m1? You can find m1 from this. m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it's x1, y1, x2, y2. I hope you remember this. We have already learned in the previous exercise. When they gave you 2 points, and if they ask you to find the slope, you have to use this formula. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 is 5, y1 is 3, x2 is 8, and x1 is negative 2. So minus of minus 2 will become plus 2. So it's 2 upon 10, which is 1 by 5. Yeah. So m1 is going to be 1 by 5 equal to minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1 into 5 by 1. So that would be negative 5. Can you follow this?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Question number 6. The hill in the form of a right triangle. The hill in the form of a right triangle has foot at 19,3. The inclination of the hill to the ground is 45 degree. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot and the top. Your inclination is 45. The foot is 19,3. They're asking about the line joining the foot and the top. Okay. So it's theta is equal to 45 degree. M is equal to tan theta. We already know this. You just have to replace theta as 45 over here. So tan 45 is 1. Yeah. So from that you can understand the value of the slope. So M is equal to 1. So they gave you the coordinate which is 19,3 already. And we also aware of the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to mx plus c can be written as y is equal to 1 into x plus c, which is y is equal to x plus c. Okay. So that is going to be your equation. And they gave you a coordinate which is 19 and 3. So you can assume this is x comma y. Okay, just substitute x as 19 and y is 3 on that for finding the value of the intercept. Okay, so it's going to be 3 equal to 19 plus c. So c is equal to 3 minus 19, which is negative 16. So the value of c is negative 16. So y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to 1 into x plus c. C is 16. Y is equal to x minus 16. So you can rewrite this as x minus y minus 16 equal to 0. Can you follow this?
Yeah.
Find the equation of a line through a given pair of points. 2 comma 2 by 3, negative 1 comma negative 1 by 2 comma negative 2. Equation of the line in 2 points form. So you have to memorize this. So it's y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay. So y minus y1 will be y minus 2 by 3 upon y2 minus y1 is y2 is negative 2 minus y1 is 2 by 3. X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. So x minus 2 upon minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So just substitute and simplify. We'll get this equation. Similarly, use the same formula for the subdivision 2 also. We'll move to the next question. A cat is located at the point negative 6 comma negative 4 in xy plane. A bottle of milk is kept at 5 comma 11. The cat wishes to consume the milk traveling through the shortest possible distance. Find the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. Let's plot it in the coordinate plane first. This is the coordinate plane. Negative 6 comma 4. Negative 4 can be here. So cat is on this plane. On this point. Milk is kept at 5,11. Maybe here. Okay. So the cat has to travel to take its milk. They're asking about the shortest possible distance. Can go like this, or else the cat can go like this also, right? Can travel this way also. So it can go through any coordinate plane. They're asking about the shortest possible distance. Okay. So they are assuming the -6, -4 as x1, y1 and 5, 11 as x2, y2. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So which will be 11 minus of -4, 5 minus of -6. So that will give you 15 upon 11. So m is going to be 15 upon 11. And this is the general form of the equation of a straight line when they give you one point, one coordinate point and one slope. Okay. So slope m is given, 15 upon 11 can be substituted here, and x1 comma y1. What is x1 and y1? This point, isn't it? -6 and -4. So that you can substitute here. So it's y minus of -4, 15 by 11, x minus of -6. So it's y plus 4. You take this 11 to the other side, it will become multiplication 4. 15 into x minus of -6. So it will turn into x plus 6. Take the 15 inside and do the multiplication. It will turn into 15x plus 15 into 6, which is 90. Can you follow this, Manasi?
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 9. Find the equation of the median and altitude of a triangle ABC through capital A, where the vertices are A, 6, 2, B, -5, -1, C, 1, 9. So mark these 3 points and draw a triangle. They're asking us to find the equation of the median and altitude of a triangle ABC. So they're taking AP as perpendicular to BC from the diagram. They're asking about equation of the median, okay? Equation of the median means you have to find the equation of the AP. AP is a straight line. So equation of a line AP can be written as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So you need to know what is m, what is x1 and y1. So it is equation of a line AP. So always you will consider the first point as x1 and y1 and the second point is x2, y2. So the value of A is 6, 2. So that is going to be your x1 and y1. So you will substitute y minus 2 equal to m into x minus 6. Can you follow this?
Yeah.
So we have to find the value of m now. How can you find the value of m? How can you find the value of m? Slope of AP. Here, the AP and BC are perpendicular to each other. So we can say slope of AP is equal to -1 upon slope of BC. We know this already. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, their product of the slopes are equal to -1. Isn't it? So you can say m1 is equal to minus 1 upon m2. Okay. So for finding the value of m1, which means slope of AP, you need to know what is slope of BC. Do you understand?
Yeah.
For finding the slope of BC, we know the points B and C. When B and C are given, it's x1, y1, C is x2, y2. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It's 9 minus of minus 1 upon 1 minus of minus 5. So it's 10 upon 6, which is 5 by 3. Can you follow this?
Yeah.
So slope of AP is equal to minus 1 divided by slope of BC. So it's minus 1 upon 5 by 3, which can be written as negative 3 by 5. So that is your slope of AP, which is nothing but m. Okay. We know the equation already. It's y minus 2 equal to m into x minus 6, isn't it? So just substitute that m over here. M is negative 3 by 5. So it's y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 upon 5 into x minus 6. So it's 5 into y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 into x minus 6. You simplify this, it will give you this result. So this is your line equation. Can you follow this?
Yeah.
So 3x plus y is equal to 28. So we found the equation of the median, which is AP. And let's find the altitude also. They're asking about the equation of the altitude, so which is AQ. So for finding the equation of AQ also, you have to follow the same steps. Okay. So it's y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. For AQ, the point A is going to be x1 comma y1, isn't it? And Q is going to be x2 comma y2. So you don't have to worry about Q. What is A? A is 6 comma 2. So that will be your x1 comma y1. X1 comma y1. So it's y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. It's y minus 2 equal to m into x minus 6. And how can you find the value of m? M is nothing but the slope. Yeah. So you can easily find the slope of AQ by directly substituting these 2 points, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 formula. By using this formula, you would be able to find the value of the slope of AQ. So after finding the slope of AQ, you just substitute the slope of AQ on the m. Can you follow, Manasi?
Yeah.
It's negative 1 upon 4, so just substitute that over here. That's it. If you simplify this, you will get the equation of an altitude. I'll move to the next question. Find the equation of a straight line which negative 5 has slope, negative 5 upon 4 and passing through the point minus 1 comma 2. Which negative 5 has the slope? I don't don't understand this part. I think there is a printing mistake, which has slope -5/4, I guess. So slope is always m. The point can be assumed as x1 and y1. We know the equation of a straight line, which is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So just substitute on this, we'll get the answer. Can you follow?
Yeah.
Do you have this question?
Yeah.
Do you have question number, do you have up to question number 13?
I have 14 questions actually.
You have 14. I gave you only 13 here. Oh yeah, 14 is there, fine. Okay, so question number 11. You're downloading a song. The percent y of megabytes remaining to get downloaded in x seconds is given by y is equal to -0.1 into x plus 1. They're asking us to graph the equation, find the total MB of the song. After how many seconds will 75% of the song gets downloaded? And after how many seconds the songs will be downloaded completely? Okay, like a case study kind of question. So they said y is equal to -0.1 into x plus 1. Yeah. So for finding the coordinates, they are substituting x as 0. You substitute x as 0 in this, you will get y as 1. If you substitute y as 0, then you will get x as 10. Because it will be 0 equal to -0.1 into x plus 1. So -1 equal to -0.1 into x. So 1 equal to 0.1 into x. So x is equal to 1 divided by 0.1, which will give you the answer as 10. Can you follow this, Manase?
Yeah.
Find the total MB of the song. Total MB of the song can be obtained when time is 0. So they're assuming the time equation as x. So when you substitute x as 0, the answer is 1. So the answer is 1 MB. So you have to be aware of this fact. They're asking about total MB of the song. So when they're asking about the total MB, you just have to substitute the time as 0 in this. The next subdivision is after how many seconds 75% of the songs gets downloaded. Time when 75% of the songs is downloaded. So the remaining percentage is 25%. So y is going to be 25 by 100, which is 0.25. So just substitute y as 0.25 in this. 0.25 is equal to -0.1 into x plus 1. It's 0.25 minus 1 minus 0.1 into x. We'll be having -0.75 here and -0.1 here. So x is equal to 0.75 upon 0.1. By solving this, you will get the result as 7.5 seconds. Song will be downloaded completely. Completely in the sense 100% is done. So there is no remaining, isn't it? So the remaining answer is going to be 0. So just substitute y as 0 for finding the value of x. So you are getting the x as 10 in this. So the answer is going to be 10 seconds. That's it. Do you understand the question? Find the equation of a line whose intercepts on the x and y axis are given below. 4 comma minus 6. We know the intercept equation, which is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Okay, so just substitute a as 4 and b is negative 6 in this. If you simplify this, you will obtain this equation. Again, you have to substitute this value a as negative 5 and b as 3 by 4 in this equation. If you simplify this, we'll get this. So for this question, you just have to by heart this form. It's x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Is it clear?
Yeah.
We'll move to the next question. Question number 13. Find the intercepts made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. They gave you two equations. Okay. So for finding the intercepts, you need to, you need to write your equation as x by a plus y by b equal to C form. So here you do have 3x minus 2y minus 6. Take the 6 to the other side and divide both the sides by 6. Just a second. Okay, it's not C, I'm sorry, it's the 1. It's not C, it's 1. So you have to rewrite your equation in this format. It's x by a plus y by b equal to 1. You have to rewrite in this form. Okay, so it's 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. So you have to make this right hand side as 1. So for changing 6 as 1, you have to divide it by 6. If you're dividing the right hand side, you have to divide the left hand side also by the same number. So it will be x upon 2 minus y upon 3 equal to 1. So a is going to be 2 and b is going to be 3. Understood?
Yeah.
And here you do have minus sign. So you will write the intercept in the positive form always. So you can rewrite this as x upon 2 plus y upon minus 3 equal to 1. So the b intercept will be in the form of negative. So b equal to minus 3. So make sure you rewritten this. Subdivision 2 is also same kind. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through 1 comma minus 4 and has intercepts which are in the ratio 2:5. I said intercepts are in the ratio 2:5. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by ratio of intercept? Can you hear me, Manas?
Yeah.
What do you mean by ratio of intercept?
The intercepts should be divided.
Okay. Intercept should be intercepts of a line between coordinate axes is divided. Are you aware of this formula? I think here they gave a partial information. There is something called section formula. It's mx2 plus n into x1 plus m plus n. So this is equal to x and y is equal to my2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. So they'll substitute the ratio as m and n in this. So here the given point is it passing through the 1 comma negative 4. So 1 is going to be x and negative 4 is going to be y. Okay. So 1 is equal to mx2. So m is 2 in this. So it's 2x2 plus nx1. N means 5x1 whole divided by m plus n. 2 plus 5. You understand, Manasi?
Yeah.
So it will be, if you simplify this, it will be 7. So 7 equal to 2x2 plus 5x1. I don't understand how they do substituted this m is negative 5 by 2. I don't understand this part.
It's not given 2 is to negative 5 or anything, right? So how in the world did they give like negative 5?
That's what. They gave only the ratio of the intercept as 2 is to 5. I'm getting this equation only by using the section formula. I'm not sure how they substituted the slope as negative 5 by 2. This is my doubt. Has intercepts which are in the ratio. For the intercept form, you have to make like x by a plus y by b equal to 1, which means you have to find the value of a and b. We can do one thing. We can do one thing. You can assume the coordinates, okay? You can assume the coordinates for the x-intercept. For the x-intercept, you can assume your coordinates as x comma 0. And for the y-intercept, you can assume your coordinates as 0 comma y. Okay. So x comma 0 can be substituted as x comma 0 can be substituted as x1 and x2 in this. Give me a second. So x2 will be 0. And x1 will be x. Yeah. You can substitute this as x1 and this as x2 in this. The x-intercepts can be assumed as x1 and x2. So if you replace this, it will turn into 7 equal to 2 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 5 into x. So that will be 0 plus 5x equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 upon 5. So that will be your A. That is going to be your x-intercept, which is A. So A is equal to 7 by 5. Similarly, if you substitute this as y1 and y2 in this, y1 and y2 in this, the value of m is 2 and n is 5. So it will be 2 into y plus n into y. What is n? N is 5 and y1 is 0 upon m plus n. M plus n means it will become 7. So you will equate it to the y coordinate. Y coordinate is -4. So you'll put -4 here. So 7 into -4 is -28 equal to 2y plus 0. So it's y equal to -28 upon 2. So y is equal to -14. So that will be your y-intercept, which means that is your B. So intercept form, we are already aware, it's x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So you will write the equation as x upon 7 by 5 plus y upon -14 equal to 1. So this is how you will rewrite. So you can simplify this as 5x by 7 minus 14 by y equal to 1. I mean, it's minus y upon 14. If you take LCM and simplify, you will be having like 10x minus y equal to 14, which can be written as 10x minus y minus 14 equal to 0. So this is how you will be having the equation. I'm not sure how did they use m as -5 by 2 here. Like only you can solve this question by using the x section formula. You will get the answer like this. So here you have to So here you have to use the section formula for solving this Manasi. When they give ratio, you will assume the ratio as m and n. You will assume this is capital X and capital Y. You have to aware of this formula. It's mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 m plus n. So this will be equated to capital X and this will be equated to capital Y. So this is capital X and this is capital Y. And then you will also assume the x-intercept coordinate as x comma 0 and y-intercept coordinate as 0 comma y. So you have to aware of this assumption also. This is how they'll solve. but I'm not sure about this solution. I'll check this once and I'll update you if it is wrong. Can you follow, Manasi?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Manasi, we'll stop here. I'll clear this question alone in the next class. Or else I'll WhatsApp. Yes, Manasi. Do you have any doubts other than the question number 14?
No.
Okay. Okay, Manasi, you can take leave.